The world's most powerful machine, the Large Hadron Collider. Hidden 100 meters underground near Geneva, Switzerland, lies the largest and most powerful machine ever built by humans. This circular tunnel stretches 27 kilometers long and smashes protons together at nearly the speed of light. The energy created in these collisions is so extreme that it mimics conditions just a fraction of a second after the Big Bang. How powerful is it? The magnetic fields guiding these particles are 100,000 times stronger than Earth's gravity, and the collider itself uses enough electricity to power a city of 300,000 homes. In 2012, the LHC helped scientists discover the Higgs boson, also called the God particle, unlocking secrets of how matter itself exists. Some people even feared it could create tiny black holes, though scientists assured us they'd vanish instantly. It's not just a machine, it's humanity's time machine into the birth of the universe. Would you dare to stand near this collider when it's running? Tell me in the comments and subscribe for more mind-bending science and mega machines.